So this is the cabin. I'm going to try and videotape it for you, John. So you can have a sense. That's the wood cooking stove. This is the kitchen table. Kind of a cabinet area thing that comes with it. You've also got the fridge, propane refrigerator. Here's the sink, no dishwasher. Looking out the front door. And this is the living room area. You can see another table there, a few couches. Do have a few that propane heating stove there on the side. You got that. Again, you can see it is just wood board here that they have painted. So pretty simple kind of fixings. There's kind of almost a antique secretariat desk. And there's the wood stove for heating. Okay, then we got this hallway. There's the hallway down to one bedroom. This is the doorway into another bedroom. Okay, this one they didn't paint. There's a bed. It's covered in plastic. Kind of a whatever. Storage bench. Another little desk there. We do have this closet, and they do have a washing machine there that comes with it. There's a view out that window. This is the closet for all the electrical stuff that does need to be taken care of. They've got it off, so we've got quite a bit of, I don't know how well it's working, nor do I know how it works exactly, but there's the batteries down there, you can see. There's another side door there that goes out. You can actually see the shed, wood shed out there, storage shed. There's a coat hanger, clothes hanger. Here's the bathroom. So you've got a very simple sink. You've got the bathtub here with it is set up for a shower. That's the incinerator toilet that works off of propane. Cabinet there. And then we come down to the second bedroom, which is just pretty empty. Got some things on the wall, but nothing really here that in this room. They do have the propane water heater there. We do have that. A fairly empty closet. Looks like a few things in it, but not much of anything. So I think that's probably about it. Here's where you come in again.